we're in the river. Day 3, left Balitto, went inland on the R614, very nice road, some potholes, lots of sugarcane lying on the roads. Then went all the way down to Stanger. At Stanger, joined the R74, which is a really beautiful road, very well worth it, all the way to Kranskop. Kranskop turned off, went through this part here, also a very nice road, parts varied a little bit. Then through the Nkandla forests, as you can see, a big circle there, really great, all the way up that road there. I didn't take this little road here. I decided I'm going to go straight. I went round and I did a loop that came back on the R68, which is also an absolutely divine road, all the way down to Melmoth, lovely road. From Melmoth got onto the R34 towards Vryheid, double lane, beautiful, lots of twisties, very fast, short-lived. Turned off to go to Ulindi. Do not go there on a Friday, you can see it's in red. From there went up. It's a beautiful road. This R66 is really nice. There are some speed bumps that come on you very, very quickly, all the way up to here. Also Friday afternoon, do not go there. Then I went on the R618. Once again, some few parts not so nice, some speed bumps that come upon you, but the latter part was really nice and